Lindsay, what are we doing?
We are finishing up this beautiful Dakota. Put the roll pin in, hold the steering shaft in. I said shaft. Power steering lines, get them all nice and correct, nice and tight, so they don't leak. And then we're just putting the tie rod ends in. We just got to count real quick.
Tie rods are on. Old rack's out. Gonna undo the specific nut which I showed you guys on the previous video. Rack is in, bolted up. We'll get that done and taken care of. A little bit of scrapey and cleanup. Sorry, it's just what I do. You know, I like to make sure. Burnsie did a great job cleaning up everything over here. So we just got to let that dry a little bit more. Get this all taken care of. I got to do a quick spray because I spilled some fluid out of one of the lines. And we should be done here in about another half an hour at most. Took a little bit longer because the roll pin did not want to come out. So it took some finagling and some spraying and cleaning and hammering and beating. And some loving and some hugging and some, no. But yeah, we'll get it all done, get it taken care of. Give us about a half and she'll be rolling outside. All right, guys. See ya.